Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Club MikeV YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how to use a video poker strategy chart like this one you see here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Hey, everyone. It is I, MikeV. Welcome to my club. Come on in. Make yourself at home. I hope I can help you learn something new as we continue on our adventure through life. Let's draw inspiration to guide us into taking action, to go on, and to make it happen. All right, guys, for those of you brand new to my channel, I do videos on poker, casino games, personal finance, any similar topic to those. If you are interested in any of that, be sure to hit the subscribe button. I'm definitely appreciated. But let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to take a look at strategy charts. So this is one I just made custom made and printed on my own for the purpose of this video. And it's pretty straightforward as it is. So the question was about how they work and why it matters. It just looks like a list, right? So yeah, it is a list of different types of hands, from pat hands all the way down to things like two to the royal flush, single card, three to a straight flush, etc. So this is the one for 9-6 jacks or better, which, as you can see, it fits pretty well in, like, you could fold it a couple times and just put it in your pocket, which is nice. So this is something one of the things that is good about a strategy chart is you could take it with you to the casino and refer to it if you're stuck on a hand. So how do they work? Well, it's just simple. It just lists the expected values based, or it just lists the hands based off of expected values. So the highest EV hands are up top, and it goes down to the lowest EV hands. And if a particular holding is not on the list, like 4 to an inside straight, for example, which you never hold in jacks or better, then you just discard all 5 cards. Like, for example, an example to read this. Let's say you get 4 to a flush versus a low pair. This is an easy one. So 4 to a flush is right here. And then 2 spots below it is 1 pair, deuces through 10s. So you could see the 4 to the flush is going to be the better choice. So that's how you read it. It's pretty straightforward. There isn't much to it. Now, on my channel, I've always suggested that you practice video poker through a training software. And, it makes sense. It helps with memorization and all that stuff. And, you actually get to play the thing as if it was the real game. It gives you the closest experience to playing at the casino. And it tells you when you're wrong or when you make a mistake. The strategy chart is a low-tech version of this. And it works pretty well. I'm actually going to go ahead and show you right here how I made this one. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up my screen. There we go. So this is the wizardofodds.com video poker strategy maker. So you could generate charts of any video poker game on this website. Of course, you could just do a Google search for strategy charts for video poker, and you'll probably find some similar ones as well, and that you could print or maybe even purchase. Have something a little more higher quality. But for example, you can hit begin here. This is free. You can go to this site as well to play around for yourself. Choose your category of game, just traditional 5-card drop poker. Select your game. We'll do jacks or better. And then you can adjust the pay table as needed. We'll keep it at 9-6. Hit continue. And what I like about this here is that it shows the strategy for not just perfect play, but also for the strategy chart. Because one difference with the strategy chart is that it's not going to give you the full perfect play, which makes sense because there's so many. If you want to play absolutely 100% perfectly, like computer perfect, you have to memorize all the different exceptions, which for the vast majority of you guys, probably it's not going to happen. But as you can see, so this is the perfect analysis, which is 99.5439% payback percentage, as you can see here. And then if you use the strategy chart, which is listed here as basic strategy, it is not that much lower, 99.5429. So that is a 100,000th of a percent difference, which is pretty much negligible. And that, jacks are better. You could, it's pretty close. It's very easy to learn the strategy, and there's not that many exceptions compared to say other types of games. But yeah, so you'll get pretty close to perfect strategy with just the strategy chart, and for the vast majority of you guys, that's perfectly acceptable. Of course. So you can go ahead and go to this website, play around with it. Maybe I'll be sure to link it in the description for you guys. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and just end off the video right here. There isn't really much else to say. So yeah, if you have any additional questions you want me to answer on this, feel free to post them in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, haven't done so yet, do me a favor, hit the like button. If you're brand new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, share the video with others, and hit the bell icon to be notified once I release a brand new video. Until then, have a great rest of your day. Best of luck at the casino. And I'll see you for the next one. Take care and go make it happen.